Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome back. So we have this avatar object with this topology, and I want to show you this MCrack or MCrack. And as you can see, this is simple HDA. We talk about that in this tutorial. So I decide to convert the project file to HDA. This is simple one. You can manipulate that. So this is a gift for treasure member. And as you can see in guide, first we need to specify the guide. It's set to second input. So of course you can draw your curve here and you can have your guide, but make sure it's aligned with the geometry. It's not have any distance from it, and you can connect that to second input. And this is your guide for a crack, and this is simple. And as you can see, you can go to visualization and we have something called guide shape, and you can scroll and to see that. And we had a very different issue with this kind of growth, and we have these unify lines. You can snap it with the fuse option in here by distance. You see, it's simple, and you can manipulate the radius here, and you can control the shape, you see. And in here, of course, we have a growth in force, and you can control the growth option. This is one option. And the second mode of the guide, it's find path. You see, you can select the start point and you can select the end point. But as you can see, we don't have any result. Why? Because this method needs a clean and connected topology for your input. So that's why I'm here, convert this one to VDB from Polygon, and I preserve the holes and I convert that to Polygon again, you see. Now we have this new topology, and this is a clean one, and definitely we can optimize that with adaptivity here. And now we can select our start point, you see, from this leg or this leg, and we can select the end point, and boom, you see. Sorry, we need to go to this, and you see we have our guide, and this is so cool. So we don't need any curve drawing here, and of course we can add a mini endpoint, as you can see. And this is cool approach, you see, and that's so cool, to be honest. And maybe this hand, yeah, you see we have our growth, and this is our guide, right? And we can change the radius and the thickness, etc. So with that, we can go to second visualization, which is pieces. As you can see now in here, we can see the pieces, but we don't have any fracture point. You see, this is one pieces. By default, it's one. You can add your point to scatter the fracture, and you see now we have our pieces. This is the crack pieces, of course. Now with this simple step, guess what? We can play our simulation, and boom, it's working. And let me create a color for the sake of the visualization. Just I want to see the original geometry. Yeah, maybe this, because our avatar is blue. And now let's play the simulation, and as you can see, it's working. You see, this is so cool with simple step. And of course, this is mini digital asset. You can build your solution on top of it because it has simple setup. And in this explosive force, you can have this noise to it, you see, and that will make it better. And after that, you can have your smoke. We added a pyro to it to make your life much easier, you see. So with that, if you are a treasure member, of course you have that for free. Of course, the link in the description, you can join and subscribe. And if you want to buy that and make it yours forever, you can have that in shop section. So with that, have a good day and goodbye.